In this video, let me show you how you can do this. For example, I connect the charger to iPhone and this sound play. How you can do this? So let's get started. Now before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, in your iPhone, what you need to do is open shortcut app here. Click on this. At the bottom, you will see automation. Click on automation. Then click on new automation. At the top you will see a search bar. Click on it and search for charge, and this option will be pop up charger. Click on this, then set it to as connected and then enable this option run immediately, but do not enable this option notify when run. At right top corner you will see next. Click on next, then in here swipe to left, select on play sound. At the bottom you will see search actions. Click on this, then in search for file, then click on the top. Here you will see file. Click on this, then in here you select on this file icon here and select your desired file. I will select this fahhh.mp3. At right top corner you will see open. Click on this and hold on it and make on the top of the play sound like this. Then click on this arrow button which is at right side of play sound. Click on this, then click on choose variable. At the bottom you will see file. Click on this. At right top corner you will see done. Click on this and you are good to go. Now whenever you connect your charger to your phone, you can use it as a prank on your friends or relatives, and you can also change your own default charging sound. This feature is also available on Android, so the next video will be on that. If you have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.